Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. My name is Adini Muslim Ayomide, and welcome to this episode of Flex Wonders. It is imperative to appreciate the tangible things being put in to make life condition easy and valuable. This is as a result of a lady who apparently just tweeted lamenting from a situation she found herself whereby her husband's colleague brings 2 spoons to the office in case if her husband wishes to share a meal with her. Considering the fact that it does not sound right to her own mentality and how the system should run, it triggers an emotion or a sense of jealousy, which has a positive intervention in the relationship as a whole. The woman apparently was lamenting on Twitter or having a conversation that because of the fact that her husband's friend or colleague brings 2 spoons to work, she has decided to make it her obligation to wake up by 4:30 to prepare meal that her husband will take to work for lunch. Several accusation, allegation, backlash. Every individual have different perspective at first, even the so-called feminist. But there are some people who sees the goodness in what she has done and has dashed, congratulated, motivated her by giving her cash, by sending her a system with a year internet supply, phones, kitchen utensils, and many more. The ultimate reason why I'm here is to appreciate the effort she put into making sure that her husband is satisfied and making sure that he is furnished to work healthily. Now, there are different consequences if the husband successfully takes a spoon from the colleague. Interaction may arise from both parties, which mutual understanding may surface. When I mean a mutual understanding, maybe something draws both of them together and is keeping the husband from the wife, which may lead to a breakup or a disconnect in the marriage. Now to the wife who has made it an obligation of herself to make sure that my husband must be well fed, has also constructed a moral standard, neglecting the feminine aspect of her. Now, coming back to the feminists who castigated that action, my question basically is, with regards to you being feminist, don't you have rules, obligation to your marriage? Does your feminism status determine how you behave in your marriage? Thank you very much as I answered that question.